Okay, okay. So yeah, this thing didn't work. Wait, we need music. Where was that? 2-2. Hi, Dennis. Dennis, mit hjul, det virker ikke. Jeg bliver nødt til at lave en designændring. Hvorfor kan jeg ikke finde det musik, jeg satte på? Hvordan kan jeg se, hvad jeg har spillet før? Free Lofi Beat. Er den her? Fejlen det er, at altså jeg byggede den her bearing. Wait, maybe I should do it in English. I built this bearing ball down here to support the weight when I move it around. I mean, it does it, but it's kind of stopping the movement. So I'm gonna try something else. Shit. Stay there. There. Wait. Wow. Oh, another thing I have to look at. I think I saw my last video and I realized I sound like a robot. I think it's because actually I have no idea why. How do I hear myself? Filter. Do I have a filter on? No. No. Yeah, maybe I should have figured that out before I started. Wait. Okay, here it is, the microphone. Okay. Oh my god, fucking commercial. How do I temporarily hear myself?
Sharecoke er tilbage. Find alle dine venners navne og kælenavne, såsom Simon og Julie, eller endda løberen og min
Monitor.
Du kan desuden vinde
Only.
til Djurs eller Forb Sommerland.
Hello.
Nej.
Wait.
Personlige dåse. Så hvem vil du dele
It should be.
Tryk på banneret for at få mere at vide. Scan og vind præmier frem til 1. august.
1-2. Well, here I sound okay. But in the stream, I sound like a robot. I don't know why. Audio. Output. How do I see which? Properties. Okay, it is using that thing. Dennis! Do I sound weird? Like a robot or something? Or is it okay? Is it good sound or is it sounding weird? Because when I looked at my live stream last time, it sounded really weird. Like a robot or some weird shit. Yeah. Dennis, what is that supposed to mean? What is yeah? Okay, maybe I have to actually start designing something here. Okay, great. So, Dennis, the problem is this bearing down here. It's too wobbly. So when the heavy front here connects to this bearing ball, the whole thing just tilt forward, right? So what I'm gonna try to do is something a little bit crazy. So I went to Tay Hansen and I buy one more of these. So I'm gonna build something sticking out from behind, and then I'm gonna add a second bearing ball, and then I'm gonna how do you say it? Extend the axle over to the next one, and then it should stabilize my axle. Because imagine this, you have my finger. Oh, that's I was about to do something that looked a little bit weird. Don't I have something that's round? No, I don't. Hey, wait. I can't even show this. It's too greasy. I don't wanna take my finger off and do this and then stick my finger in it. It looks too weird. But imagine you have a stick in a hole. Like this one, right? And if it's just a tiny little wobble here, then in the other end it will do this, right? Tiny little bit here, but here it's sticking out a lot. But if I then have another one here, then it can only do so much. Does it make sense? So by having another one far away from the other one, also in center, should stabilize it. So that's what I'm gonna try to build. A stabilizing bearing ball. Wow. Let's try that. I'm not sure how far away it needs to be. Let's go safely and then say 50. I think that should be more than enough. The only big question is, can my 3D printer... Oh, another thing, Dennis. I did not order my new 3D printer today because I'm waiting for a discount. They say that it's gonna have maybe like a June discount. So why not take that? Gonna save some money. Well, I'm gonna save some free money. I don't know how you say it. Okay, so we have that thing. How do I do this? Actually, Okay. We're gonna start over here. Delete this, delete that, that. We only need this. I'm not in the sketch. My computer's acting weird. Huh? I cannot right click on my sketch now for some strange reason. But I'm not in the sketch. What the heck? Now I can. Weird. what is going on? Okay, now it works. Weird. How do you do? How do you do? I'm doing good. Well, today. I'm trying to fix my spinning wheel that I'm trying to design. It's a little bit of a challenge, but let's see if we can fix it. Then we have Spotify getting free commercial again. Ooh, how dare they. Okay, we're gonna try 10. Yeah, I mean, we already tried to fix it one time. The problem with my current design is this little bearing ball here cannot stabilize the whole weight of the wheel. Why don't I have it hanging equally far out on both sides? I'm from Denmark. I don't know why, but all other people that comes to my stream are from India. I have no idea why. Maybe only Indian people find engineering things interesting. I don't know. Well, Danny, are you proposing something? Because I don't understand what you just said. Sorry. So now we have this thing, and now I have to hook it. Hello, Matteo. Hope you are doing well. I have to create some weird hooks. Maybe I should make this even larger because otherwise it's gonna be... This is gonna look really weird. We have to create 4 arms that's grabbing. In, can we do 45 degree? Oh, thank you, man. Yeah, I hope everything goes well in India. Can we do this? Actually, we cannot even do 45, so let's do this, whatever that is. 60 degree. Ah, that's 55. Oh, that's other way. There. So we're gonna do 2 in 65 degree, and then 35 degree here, or what? Yeah, let's try that. Why is this one locked? Oh, thank you, thank you. Oh, you see, Dennis, other people from other countries think I'm very handsome, huh? Well, I'm not really an engineer, but I do engineering work, I guess. I build machines for a company here in Denmark. I still wonder why they have me there, but I'm there. I make a lot of mistakes sometimes. Just ask Dennis. We don't want to do that feature. We're going to offset it. I think 10 should be enough. Maybe 6. What kind of work do you do? Motivational Dr. Lock Now. Yeah, nice to meet you too, man. Hope you're doing well. Okay, we're gonna do this there, and then we're gonna mirror this feature. Boom. Oh, actually we should have done the other one also. Yeah. You're more than welcome to. Let's hope we can fix this thing. So what I guess we should try is to offset. Let's push this one back 10 millimeter. We're gonna offset this thing 10 millimeter. We're gonna draw. We're gonna take this line and this line. Wait, wrong line. This line. Project. Then we want to create the thing that's gonna hook, but we want it in the right angle. There's our angle, and we want it 12th, and we want it 10. So now we have this thing that's hooking onto yeah. Or should I do 15 and then start? Now I have to connect these two. Dennis, do you know how terrible I am at understanding when people try to do something via text? I need to visualize it. If I don't see it in my head, I don't understand it. You're going to make it land at the same point with that setup because there's no equilibrium. Well, I just want the axle to go through this one and also this one to stabilize it more, because then this one should not be able to wiggle as much as this one. I mean, when it's... Yeah, I hope you understand what I mean. Just wait and see, then it's gonna be fucking awesome, okay? It's gonna be so great. Hopefully. Let's do a mid plane on this thing. Then we're gonna draw the guideline. Boom, boom, boom. It's gonna project this one and project this one. The only issue, should I do this and this? Or should I go straight? Den bliver ubalanceret med det hjul, du har designet. Hvorfor gør den det, Dennis? IFT. Hvad betyder IFT? Oh shit. Lige lang? Hvad mener du med lige lang imellem dem? Der er jo kun én. Hvordan kan der være lige lang til hvad? Prøv at se her, Dennis. Kig grundigt, Dennis. Now I'm gonna explain to you, Dennis. This is my axle. Okay? Right now I'm having it here, right? Imagine that. Actually here. This is the wheel in front. Oh, I just touched the... Whoops. And now the load is doing this, right? It's slightly bending it, but because slightly is a lot in the other end, right? Imagine it. Then if I have a bearing ball here, then it can only tilt so much because I have two now. The longer I engage this and the longer I have my other bearing ball, the more stable this thing will be. Because a tiny little bit here is a lot here. Do you understand? So this thing down here, if I stabilize this end, then this thing will be completely straight. You see? That's the point. That's the thing we're trying to do. Even ChatGPT told me to do this. I trust ChatGPT sometimes. Not always, but sometimes. Yeah. And this is the easiest thing that I could test, so I'm gonna try it. Okay. So actually, imagine we have this laying down. This is gonna be an issue. The perfect setup would be if we can get this thing in 45 degrees, because then we don't need support. Right now we only have 27, which is a big problem. The only way we could fix that is to increase the length of this thing. Right now we have it here, so let's try. Yes, Dennis, exactly. That's what I'm gonna try to do. Now you get it. I'm gonna make something that's gonna fit exactly around the rounded part here. So that I can just hook it on the back, put my axle, make a longer axle, and then it should technically get straight. Let's see how much we have now. Now we have 30. Oh my god, it has to be much longer. The heck? How much then? 70? Okay, let's see now. What do we have? Oh, now we have 50. That's good. But it's kind of too much. We kind of want to hit 45 because it looks kind of stupid with this thing sticking out so much. Let's try this one. Oh, no. I'm not making a weight. I'm making an extra bearing ball connection or whatever you call it. Ah! Okay, let's go with this. We're gonna make a hook. I kind of need to round it though. Fill it. 5. And here, 5. Actually, that might be an issue. Yeah, I think that's a bad idea because then it's gonna need support. Let's try keep it straight if it can. I don't know if it can do that. Let's see. Sweep this one, path this thing. Oi, look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, I forgot to remove the rounded part there. Damn it. Okay, there. Sweep this thing, path this thing, boom, join, bang. And then we mirror that feature. Boom, 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 boom. So there's one hook. Wait, why is this one longer? Huh? What happened? Ah, that's because we don't have that part yet. We kind of want to have like a guide. Let's do that after. Right now we just have to create the hook. Now we have to do the same again. Now we don't have the plane. Where is that? There. So we're gonna make another gonna project this thing straight out. Draw this thing. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Make it symmetrical. Make it parallel. 10. Straighten it out. 10. I don't even remember the measurement before now. I think it was 10. Then we're gonna make a mid-plane between these two. Oh yeah, I've been doing this for many years. That's probably why it looks a little bit easy. I mean, it just need to practice, and then yeah, eventually you will get there. See, I don't remember what I did before now. Did I do 5? Definitely didn't. I have to check what I did on the other arms. I did do 5, but this one is longer. How much is this one? 15, okay. That's why. Now it should be the same. Let's check. Oh wait, what happened there now? What is this? Five, but why is this one not locked? Okay. There. 47. Yes, great. Then we're gonna sweep it. Path. Join. Mirror. Why is this one not connected? Huh? Wait, I don't have the right size here for some weird reason. Why? Oh, I forgot to put this measurement here. 12. There we go. So now we have a hook feature. This one. Boom. Boom. My day, Dennis, I stayed long at the company today because I was far behind. I was there until 5. So yeah, actually, it feels like I almost got home, but I don't know. I don't know what I've been doing for the last 3 hours or whatever. Okay, now we have this thing. Now we want to create kind of like a wall to make sure that we only reaches 14. Let's do this. We just need a little wall in 45-degree angle. And why we do 45? Because we don't want support. Actually, it's better to do less. Boom. Then we want only 14 here. Oi. That's a tiny wall. Wait, why do I still have an edge there? Ah, I know now. It's because this part is rounded with the... Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Join. So by... Oh, okay, we need to stick it in a little bit. That sounded weird. That sounded really weird. Boom, boom, boom. There. Perfect. So now when I push it up against here, I have a guide to tell me that it's gonna be exactly the same on all of them. This one needs to be extended 15. So now I have to mirror this feature according to the mid, and then I have to do the same here. Boom, boom, boom. Wow, this music is like so de-stressing or whatever you call it. You're welcome, guys. I made sure that you don't get stressed today. Wait, this seems weird now. Doesn't look like the other one. 14, 2. Okay, I guess, I don't know. Let's do this. It's not so important. Mirror, feature. Boom. So now we have the basic of our hook. We just have to move it back in place. That was too much. I think there. Boom. Look at that. Wow. Not sure how we should fasten it though. Probably we'll just glue it. Nah, that's not gonna work. I know. There's only one of me. We could try and make it beautiful. I'm just a little bit afraid it's gonna fuck up. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. I mean, what we could do, we could make it stronger here. It's always good to add some roundings. It's gonna make your print stronger. Boom, boom, boom. This almost looks like some alien piece of thing. I can also do it on the inside here. It's gonna make it stronger there and there and there. Yep. I guess we can try add a little rounding there. Oh, I mean, it's not a lot. One spool of filament, the gray that you see here. How much is that? It's like 20 euro. And how much did I use? I'm pretty sure you could print this setup, give or take, maybe 2 times with one roll, just the gray part. And the other ones, I mean, what costs money is if you want many colors, then you need many spools, many colors, you need many spools, I mean, one for each color. So if you don't have the colors, then it's gonna be costly. Yeah. But for me, I don't really pay anything for my materials because I make a lot of designs, and when I'm done with them, then I upload them to a website called MakerWorld, and then when people download my design, I get points, and for the points I can buy gift card, and for the gift card I can buy material. So I don't really have any cost on my filament. That's one way to save money. I guess we can actually make a rounded part up here. That would not be a problem. There. Man, I really hope this is gonna work, but let's see. We need one more of these. I don't know if, can I copy them? Oh yeah, I can. Cool. Now we just have to center it. Oh yeah, that's harder than I imagined. Is it there? I think so. So I usually do is I put it near, and then I go here, and then I do edit. Of course I cannot do that then. Can I choose what area I want to move it with? No, I cannot. Never mind. So first of all, it's too small. We need 22 in diameter. Right now we have 16, I think. Huh? Oh, actually we don't even have. Whatever, I'm gonna make a new hole. And we're gonna height. That's gonna be a lot of work to hide all that shit. Never mind, we're not gonna hide anything. We're gonna do it from the side. $22. And I'm pretty sure it was 7. Wait, let me just check before I make something stupid. Always a good idea. Make some on the singer. Yeah, but the problem is that this this big part here, I don't really have any material inside it, so it's if I drill into it, it's gonna be probably hollow. So I think I will try just to glue it in the first place and see how it goes. But the big challenge here is to see if my 3D printer can actually print this exactly, because I imagine if it's just slightly wrong, then it's not gonna fit in the middle at all. But let's see. Let's see. 22, 7, and I think the inner part is 8. Yes. And now, yeah, now my fingers stink of oil. Okay, we're back. We are gonna move this thing. Oh yeah, of course I can just order it right from a milling machine. It's very cheap. I'm hoping. Wait, what? Why it's suppressing my feature? This program is so strange sometimes. When I try to move this part, so I have to move it in front or what? What the fuck happened now? Ay. Okay, now it just disappeared from my line here. What the heck? Weird. Huh? Ay, what happened now? Let's go back. Okay. So down in my feature line, you cannot see this, but I'm having some issues here. Really? Okay, it doesn't want. I have to delete this one. Fucking hell.
På IBA Erhvervsakademi Kolding kan du vælge mellem en lang række videregående uddannelser. Det gælder for eksempel vores nye professionsbachelor i e-commerce og digital marketing. Uanset uddannelse kommer du i praktik i en virksomhed i minimum 3 måneder.
Now the battery on my mouse is dying. Great.
Ansøg senest den 5. juli.
Fixed.
Mere på iba.dk.
Okay.
Hej, klik på banneret for at lytte til Sommerhits 2025 Endelig Sommer. Hør soundtracket til din sommer 2025 præsenteret til dig af Coca-Cola.
So now,
Share Coke med.
wait, why the hell we don't have a rounded piece there? We forgot one. There we go. Now we have this part. So basically we want to make it more beautiful. We're gonna add some chamfer. We're also gonna do something here. It looks a little bit weird. Maybe like that. Boom, 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 boom. Yep. And then to make it even more beautiful, well, okay, I don't know if that's beautiful, but we're gonna do that because it's easier when we have to put the chamfers. Then they're gonna automatically come all the way around. Boom, boom, boom. Chamfer time. 0.5. Oi, look at that. We're breaking the sharp edge. So now we can, we don't cut ourselves. The same we're gonna do on the inside. Boop, 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 and boop. There we go. Look at that. Perfect. Kind of look like one of those aliens that just jumps up and stick to your face. Yeah. Okay, so now we have to work on the axle that is located somewhere in here. We have to find it. Where are you? There you are. Let's make this one transparent. Where are you? 40. This one, same. Okay, so here we have the axle. Just checking right now if it's supposed to, if it is where it's supposed to be. It's a little bit hard to see actually. I guess it doesn't really matter too much. Well, one thing I have to correct first is the diameter of the axle because I remember that I changed it. Right now I'm looking in the feature tree to find it, but it's a little bit hard to find it actually. Wait, I have to hide this one. Where is that feature? There. No? Even way back. What the heck? Go here. Here it is. I found you. So I've been struggling a lot with this one because I thought before that it was the axle that was too loose and that made it wobbly, but it was the bearing ball itself. So I was trying to print many different versions of this axle. I think we're just gonna try and make it 8.1. Or maybe even just 8. Let's try that. And then I have to do something here. Seems a little bit strange. Right now it's just loading. There we go. Yep. Okay, now we can extend our axle. I'm a little bit unsure how big the backside hole should be. What is this one? 16, really? Wait. Forgot to press OK. I think I will keep it just a little under. Or do I? Wait, am I having an issue now? I think I am actually. Oh yeah, I am. Well, it depends. This is a 4mm. Can I get a 4? Oh wait, this is not a 4, this is a 5. Oh yeah, I think I can get a 5. That is 55. I guess it doesn't really matter. I guess we just do this. Boom. For what you mean? It's a 5. It's for a bolt of 5. M5. Yeah, you can get 55. I know, but I don't think I want it to. I want the bolt to stick out because then it will. Actually, I think it's a bad idea that I put the bearing ball on that side. Yeah, it's a bad idea because if I tighten it around this surface, then it will rip out the bearing ball. Yeah, I have to make it the other way around. I have to take this thing, edit. Hey. I have to do it oppositely. First we should close this gap. If I can. And then we're just gonna make a 12. Doesn't really matter. Oh wait. We're gonna say -3. And then here we are gonna add the hole for the bearing ball. 22 -7. There. Then we're gonna move this thing. But I don't know if I can do this now because this thing is stupid. See, we cannot. This thing always goes back in time for where I put it in. So I have to again, holy shit. I have to again copy it. It's probably easier just copying this one and then going backwards. Yeah. Perfect. Why is this thing not long enough now? So we want to push the axle into that thing. There we go. Yep. That's basically it. I think. I'm not sure. The only problem is I don't have this bolt. Damn it. Or do I? I don't know. Let's see what happens. No, I don't think so. I guess I have to buy it. Oh well. So this alien piece is gonna hopefully save my design. And then I'm just gonna put the old foot on because I don't need this little bearing ball down here. That didn't really do anything good. Oh yeah. The only thing I have to worry about now is what color should I make this alien thing at the back? Should it be the same gray or should it be a different color? What do you say, chat? I think it's only you, Dennis. What do you say, Dennis? What color should we do it? Green. Really green? Does it fit in? Does it fit in, Dennis? Green? I know you love green. Green? What about, let's try to do some different colors here. What about gold? Where is it? Gray. Wait. Just wait a second. Look here. Boom. Look at that. Ooh. I mean, it would look cool if it had this shiny effect, but it's it's gonna look like those yellow things right there. Yeah. Like that. Ay. But I guess it could also look cool. I have gray, black, red, metallic blue, metallic green, neon green. Then I have some weird. It's like a weird girly combined color. I don't know what you call that. I have a blue that lights up in the dark. I have a lot of color, Dennis. I don't even know. A lot. I think just to make it stand out, I don't know. Should we do gray or gold, Dennis? Gray or gold? You decide. I only have green and blue. I don't think that would fit in. Would it? Okay, let's do gold. Do I have gold in? Oh, I do. Perfect. What do you call it? Back bearing ball holder. Boom. Oh, we also have to do the axle. What color do I have over there? The axle doesn't matter. We cannot really see that one. I guess it's just gonna be gray. Axle verse 6. Okay. Now I just have to start it. We're gonna do axle on one and the other thing. A little bit of shame you guys cannot see my bamboo setup. This thing that I'm using now. Wait, maybe you can if I do this. Look at that. Wait, now I can't see what I'm looking at. 2 seconds. Oh, it's a little bit hard to see, huh? Yeah, that's the stick. And that's so terrible. So this is the plate. And we want this thing to be absolutely solid. Yes, slice. Okay, wants to add a brim, that's okay. Print. We're gonna use Gammel. And we're gonna send it. We are sending it to the printer. And then we're gonna have the other one. Other one comes here. The alien tech. This one we want to add support. Tree support is what I prefer. And we're gonna make it, I think we have to make it strong, but not necessarily super strong. What do we? 50 maybe? Let's see. Well, let's try this, see how it goes. Actually, in the middle part, this is what's great about this printer stuff. We're gonna make it solid in the middle. Cylinder. Resize. Whoop. Because when we need to put all the pressure on the print, we want it to be strong. So we can tell that everything that's within the yellow line is gonna be solid, and everything else just 55%. Yeah. Let's try that. New gold sent. Yep, that's it. We did it, and I will come back with an update on how this thing goes. Hopefully it works, so I don't have to do more work on this thing. Spending a lot of time designing this wheel. But yeah, again, thank you guys for watching, whoever's watching. Probably nobody but Dennis is watching, I don't know. Oh, we have one more, Rusty Shackleford. Nice to see you. But yeah, I'm gonna end the stream now. Oh, let's see. Is printing with carbon fiber a thing? Yes. You can get 3D printers that can put in pieces of carbon into your 3D print, so it can. I mean, it's not fully carbon, but it puts pieces of carbon into your 3D print, so therefore it makes it stronger. There are companies such as Markforged that can do that. They are kind of expensive printers, but yeah, it's possible. I don't think you can get a printer that can print carbon fiber itself, but you can definitely get something that can put in strings of carbon. But yeah, hope it answers your question. But yeah, I'm gonna log off now. I hope you have a nice day.